is Garrett Browne. Welcome to IT in 5, where I review MSP vendor demos in under 5 minutes. So today we're going to go into a demo with ConnectBooster. They offer an automated billing solution where they pull and connect your PSA and your accounting services together. Now they said they don't want to change your workflow. They just want to be the middleman that makes the whole process super smooth and automated for you and your client. So let's jump into the demo. Here is what I saw and here's what I liked. Logging in, you'll see white labeling is already in play. As you can see here, you'll place your logo. Email and password is what you'll use to log in. This is your admin dashboard, which they refer to as a living, breathing document that pulls in all your information from your accounting and your PSA. You'll see high-level overview of accounting receivable by company, total balance, past due, open invoice. You also see the highest balances held by the company, synchronization status, and payments calendar. So we looked at the payments calendar, which he referred to as the cash flow calendar. It lets you visually see what day of the month, what money, where it's coming from, who, how much, and when. It's color coded, allowing you to see which payments are scheduled, which ones are on auto pay and unapproved auto pays. For instance, here on the 28th, you're going to see there are 53 payments for that day. You click on it and you can dive into the overview of each status. Looking over to the left, you always know the last synchronization was with the connectors, the starting, the success info, and status. So then we jumped over to the auto pay for this specific customer. They have a nice little quick menu on the left. We focus on the auto pay features box. As balances fluctuate with clients, you're synchronized to handle it. You don't have to update the payments every time something changes. You can choose the auto pay type around contract, term, or amount. You could set up a credit card, bank account, run auto pay on a due date, invoice date, or the day of the month. You can log into the customer's portal that your client will see by clicking on the top right. The client portal, as you see it, is exactly how your clients can see it. They can manage and view total invoices, past dues, payment methods, and they can also look at payment history. Their portal is branded for your company, and there's also a rotating carousel box. You can create info cards for the clients, such as announcements, onboarding, promotions, whatever you want to display. Using the menu on the top left, you can look at their past pending scheduled payments, invoices, and more self-management features. Diving into the invoices management, your customer can see all the unpaid invoices, pay them all at once instead of separately paying for each one. They can also select different payment methods. If the client wants to pay with a credit card, they'll see fee adjustments in red. They can switch back and forth to another payment method, such as a bank account. So we jumped over to managing the billing communications for the client, where you can manage configured templates, emailing and transactions, past due notices, and you can decide what emails, where they're coming from, as well as email tracking. White labeling is really nice. It's easy to configure with colors, logos, and more. They offer users a ConnectBooster Academy to help you learn how to maximize the ConnectBooster experience and more. So I love billing. Absolutely loved it, but getting it together to collect was tough. It drove me nuts. Some clients opening billing emails only to forget them later, and I had no problem driving myself over to a client's office with a printed invoice to ensure it wasn't lost in email. I know plenty of you have done it, but I get it. They're running their business. Things happen. People are busy. It's great, but it's a double-edged sword. But when there's change of services, new employees, whatever, you let that slip through the cracks, which I am absolutely guilty of. And I never like having to go back to them and explain corrections. Although I was correct, I could have done better. Missing critical updates and billing receivables not coming in, especially when it's time for you to pay your own bills, payroll, and more, stressful. But the problem for me, fortunately, very thankful, we were busy enough where we were able to add a team member to make sure that everything was billed for and accountable, receivables. And I'm looking at ConnectBooster. Is this really for smaller MSPs who don't have somebody watching the billables? And the more I think about it, I'm like, no, not at all. For larger MSPs, it would make the process for that person so much smoother for whoever is handling it. I like the automation, the self-serve features, the portal, what they put together. There's no doubt a huge impact on MSPs they're using right now. They get paid faster, predictable schedule, less work. I mean, you could see it. So go over, check out their channel programming profile. They have videos, documents, more for you to check out what they're all about. They stood up in 2010. They have over 2,400 partners. They support businesses in North America. They have a usage-based model for pricing. They provide support. They integrate with 6 different accounting services and the big 3 PSAs, ConnectWise, Autotask, and Kaseya. So go over to channelprogram.com and search for ConnectBooster, or search for them in our Explorer categories, Finance and Billing Management. My name is Garrett Browne, and thank you for watching IT in 5. I'll see you out there.